Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is more than just South Palm Beach County's most comprehensive social service agency. We're family. And like family, we're always here for you when you need us. Seniors are one of the greatest treasures in any family. This is especially true in South Palm Beach County, where such a large segment of the population is over 65. Rales JFS offers a wealth of services to support our seniors, including many opportunities both in person and virtually for connection, friendships, and fun at the Shirley and Barton Wiseman Delray Community Center. The center offers activities, clubs, outings, discussion groups, educational opportunities, performances, and holiday celebrations. There's literally something for everyone. Rales JFS and the Wiseman Center also offer support groups for bereavement and for caregivers, as well as behavioral health counseling on site. Our friendly, compassionate volunteers provide numerous programs, including our Kibitz and Ride pickup and drop-off service, and in-home assistance for seniors through programs like Chore Corps, Shop and Share, Friendly Visitor, Tech SOS, and Telephone Reassurance. All of these services are meant to help seniors, allowing them to age comfortably in their own homes and enjoy a better quality of life. Our Holocaust Survivor Assistance Program specifically provides survivors with medical and nutritional assistance, home care, opportunities to socialize, as well as providing and maintaining a safe and secure home environment. Rales JFS supports not only our seniors, but the care extends to their families, companions, and caregivers as well.
Rales JFS offers individuals and families in South Palm Beach a vast array of interrelated services. If you're here, you're one of us, and when you need us, we're here for you. Because that's what family's for.
Contact Rales JFS today and see what we can do for you. Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services. We are family.